Lesson 2.6 is on pages 63 through 66. Our new skill is applying built-in conditional formatting. For this one, you will create a blank Excel document, then save it as 2.6 fitness class schedule. Then the first thing you will do is type everything that is on page 65. And then we're ready for step 4A. Change the font size of cell A1 to 26. Step 4B. Change the font size of cell A2 to size 18. Step 4C. Change the font size of cell A3 to 12. Step 4D. Merge and center cell A1 across columns A through H. Step 4E, merge and center cell A2 across columns A through H. Step 4F, merge and center cell A3 across columns A through H. Step 4G, bold row 5 and change the font size to 12. Step 4H, bold cells A6 through A13 and change it to font size 12. Step 5, we're going to go to the Home tab and in the Styles group. Step 5A, select cells B6 through H13 and then from the conditional formatting, highlight cells rules and select greater than. Step 5B, from the greater than dialog box, type in 30. Choose format cells that are greater than and filled with green fill and dark green text. Then you can click OK. Step 5C, from the conditional formatting, highlight cells rule. Choose less than. Step 5D, in the less than box, type in 10. And then format the cells that are less than with a light red fill and dark red text and click OK. You can save your document and submit on Schoology.